In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut audio in Cakewalk. Now to do this, there's actually three ways. I'm going to show you all of them right now. So the first one is going to be to simply select where you want a cut to be. For example, in here, about in the middle, and you want to press the S key on your keyboard. And whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to cut your audio. So you can do this for as many times as you want. It's always going to cut where you have clicked or where your playhead is, okay? That's the first way to actually cut your audio. Then the second one is going to be to use the Alt key scissors tool. So when you hold down your Alt key on your keyboard, you'll notice that scissors will appear. Now you can just go and click where you want to cut, and just like this, you can quickly and easily make cuts within your audio just like that, okay? That's the second way, and then the third one is going to be the split tool. So we can, of course, hold down or press the F8 key on your keyboard, and it's going to go up here and select this tool over here. And then from here, you can right click on the edit tool and click on split. Now from here you can just go and split anywhere you want, and it's gonna do pretty much the same thing as holding down your Alt key, okay? So that's how to cut audio in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.